You might have heard of catcalling or even being whistled at, but have you ever been bird called? So this happened in senior year, and basically I just got finished taking a math quiz. As my friend and I walked to our next class, we vented about how difficult the quiz was. All of a sudden, I see this guy walking towards us.
Look out! I think Moto likes you. Here he comes.
So what happened was, this guy puts up his fists and asked me, "Do you want to fight?" All of a sudden, Eye of the Tiger starts playing in my head and I raise my fists and go for the knockout. KO! I didn't do that. Instead, I was really caught off guard and stopped and tried to figure out what he just said. But before I could do anything, he then asked me, "Do you want to go out with me?" And then he proceeded to do a bird call? Like, caw-caw, caw-caw. I stood there completely confused out of my mind, trying to figure out what just happened. The dude ended up walking away with his friend and I never saw him again. I'm no expert on love, but definitely don't squawk at anyone. Instead, come up with a good plan and just try your best. Even if you get rejected, there's plenty of birds in the sky to choose from.
Mine.